Hi, good afternoon. I hope you have a good week, right? I hope that things are doing very well for you in school. Can you just chat with me? What are the things that you did in school for English? Can chat or not? I'm curious, like for example, compo or compre, right? Or grammar. What are the things your teachers are doing? I know we all do Stella in school. Stella, we all are, some schools are different. I mean, doing different topics, right? But we're doing Stella. But just need to know, what are the things that you are currently doing, like situational writing, or is it compo, or is it grammar? Can we just check? I just check with you, okay? I just need to know, that's all. Oh, today is holiday. Oh, okay. Oh, so you're in international school? It's a holiday for you. Okay. How about the rest of you? Not today, but last week and like this week. What do you all do this week? Can you text me? Just like to know. Because we are doing grammar today, we are doing vocabulary, and we are doing composition. Anyone remember what you're doing in school for English? Nobody? Can I? Surely you all know remember what you do for English? No? Don't remember. Okay, wait a minute. Let me just go up here. I will just what I will do now, I will spotlight for everyone. All right. I will spotlight me like this, Becky. All right. So maybe I just write down Becky's name. Right, I meet her. Okay, can. All right. Okay, why I spotlight myself alone? Reason is because if I do it like that, right, there's so many things here, so many people, right? And then we keep on moving up and down, right? So a bit difficult for me to control this thing. So I will just put this up like this, all right? So, okay, everybody, hi all. We will start doing our grammar first, all right? So some of you, I think what you do is you print out um the copies that you have not done, right? You can also do that. It's okay to print that out also, okay? And then you can also write the answers also, so it's fine. Let's go through now the answers. Oops. Okay, so I go through this. It is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. Please use the chat function if you would like. Wait, somebody's chatting. Can we play a game in the middle of the lesson? Huh? No, we can't. We don't. No, there's no game in the middle of the lesson. Who asked? Yeah, there's no game, Catherine. So it's more of me going through the answers with you. Okay, Ken? This is 88 tuition worksheets here that we need to complete. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Catherine. Very nice of you to ask. Okay, I go on to number 2. Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following. Ask a question, answer a question, share feedback. Okay. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. Okay. If you need to be excused, toilet break, please inform the teacher and return ASAP. Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. All right. So Ariano just came. I admit him. Ariano. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I admitted already. Ariano and Wang Siyu, is it? Sorry, I think I get out for a while, okay? I go out from here for a while. Okay, wait a minute. Ariano, yes. Becky, please check. Please check if I've already ticked your names. Chen Si is not here. Then Shen Xin is not here. Nicole is not here. Samar Benjan is also not here. Okay. Wang Siyu is here, right? I saw your name. Yeah. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 of us over here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm right. So later I will be sending this before we leave because sometimes people come in a bit late. So I won't send first. All right, let's move. Okay, Ken, we move on now. So if there's anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, like go to the toilet, all right, please tell me and return ASAP. Be mindful and be respectful to all students and teachers in class. So before I continue, I just check everybody's here. Everybody switch on? Yep, everybody switch on your computer. Okay, sure. Can. So I spotlight myself. Okay, can do. I'm going to move now to grammar MCQs. That's what we're doing today. Okay. So who is J.K. Rowling? I think you know who is J.K. Rowling, right? Is the author of Harry Potter. Hold on, huh? Okay, let me just get my pen. Yeah, yes. Who has read the series, Harry Potter series? Any one of you read the series? I don't know. Oh, you did? Oh, okay. So Toby, you don't know who is J.K. Rowling? Okay, maybe I show you Harry Potter. I think you've seen the video. You have seen the stories, right? Some people watch Harry Potter already. Yeah. Let me just show you the author. Actually, the story. Oh, you don't read Harry Potter. Okay, it's okay. If you don't read Harry Potter, it's all right. No problem. I'll just show you. Okay. Wait. I also don't watch. Oh, really? Okay. Never mind. If you don't watch or you don't read. Let me see. I don't know why I cannot get up. Oopsie. Okay, anyways, but if you do read, okay, can I show you, okay, Harry Potter. Some people know about Harry Potter, some people don't know. It's okay if you don't know. Maybe one day if you go to the library, you can check out Harry Potter series. All right. So this is the Harry Potter, and you show it's about magic. The books are also very interesting. Maybe can be a bit thick, right? But some of your friends already stated here, right? They read Harry Potter, right? Somebody read Harry Potter also. Yes, correct, Catherine. And wands, right? Who read Harry Potter? Okay, so you don't know. Okay, never mind. So I think some students know here know what Harry Potter is about. Is they've got from a book, right? Me some books. Oh, okay, Catherine, that's very nice. Quite interesting, right? The book very engaging, yeah. And then they've got a lot of magic in the story. All right. So these are the books. Maybe Inyal. Hold on. I wrote down Inyal's name. Okay, on my paper because I need to write down attendance. Okay, now this one looks like this. It looks like that. Let me see. Where's the Harry Potter books, right? So the images will look like this. Yeah, you've got a lot of series, so many series, right? And this lady here is the author. Her name is J.K. Rowling. Oh, and my brother read all of it. Wow, amazing. Yeah, it's so interesting, right? You just want to buy and read, buy and read. So this one is the books. They also have a package like that. Yeah. This one is a book, but they also have movies. Let me just show you the movies. It's about magic. The books are so popular, I tell you. Okay. Yeah, so this is the movie. I don't know how many movies, but I know there's so many, quite a number of movies, and very interesting. So what Hollywood did was, after they read the Harry Potter book, right, they find it so interesting that they created a movie out of it. Me and my brother saw all the movies. Wow, Catherine, wow. Okay, so that's great. So yeah, so if let's say during the holidays, this coming holidays, if you want to have some kind of entertainment, right? Entertainment as in reading books, entertainment, you can check out Harry Potter. Okay, and then there's the movies also. They also have that. Yeah. Okay, I go on to slides. J.K. Rowling is the lady you saw just now, right? So actually, she was very poor. And then what happened was she started writing a story, right? And then after that, somehow a story became but she went to, she actually tried to publish it, but publishers all don't want her story. They find it very, maybe they don't find it very, very good. So one publisher published a story, and then it became a box office, become a bestseller, and then Hollywood pick up on it, and Hollywood made a movie out of it. And now she's very happy, very very wealthy also. Okay, let's try. J.K. Rowling is one of the most popular writers. I need my pen. Straight for a while. I need my laser pointer. Okay. J.K. Rowling was one of the most popular writers. What all time? In all time, very strange, right? At all time, also very strange. Of all time or from all time. So somebody wrote C. How about the rest of you? You want to share with me what is your answer for this? Okay. Yeah, C. Okay, C. Okay, quite a number of you wrote C as an answer. Let's try. Let's check it out. Now it's actually a phrase. Of all time, it's actually a phrase. Wait, I don't know what's wrong with my computer. I cannot seem to bring it down. Wait, sorry. Yes. So it's a phrase you can write down in your vocabulary book. If you have a vocabulary book, remember I told you, you can get your school A5 exercise book, right? You can write down the phrase in there. Okay. I can't see you whether you write or not. well, I have to trust you that you know the meaning and you are writing the answer. Is it okay, Ken? So that you can go through this before your test and before your test or exam, right? You know the meaning of all time. So what's the meaning of all time? It means the best or most successful. All right, is the most is one of the most popular writers of all time. So the answer is of, right? Of all time means it's a phrase meaning during this time she is the most successful, one of the most successful. All right. Okay. I go on to the next question. Ah, 8. Okay. Next one. I had an English test. What quantifiers? What's a quantifier? English, we learn certain grammar rules, right? And one of the grammar topics is called quantifier. What's that? It is actually part of grammar, such as some words, some of the thing. What are some examples of quantifiers? Are some, many, a lot of, a few. So you have done this already. You do this in primary one, primary two. You do already. Okay, so you will know. It's just that the topic is called quantifier. What do you think? I had an English test with quantifiers this morning. I had an English test for quantifiers, in quantifiers, on quantifiers. Do you want to chat with me? What is your answer? Can you chat with me your answer for number 2? Somebody saying something. Okay, D. Toby, your answer is D. Yeah? D. Okay. Yes, Samar. Yeah, Irina. Okay, Ken. So let's have a look. Wait a minute. Yes, correct. The answer is D, on quantifiers. All right. So you read down the words if you got it wrong. Okay. Next. I'm going to go through this with you. Do you know those people? Do you know those people below that big bright beach umbrella, or under, or at the big bright beach umbrella, or in? Which one is your answer? B. Okay. What's the difference between below and under? You know what I mean? If you think about it, right? I ask you, what's the difference between below and under? Like, huh? Yeah, below is it the same as under? So all the common uses of below are related to the idea of lower or less than, right? So below the table, right? But then what can we say? Do you know those people below that big bright beach umbrella? So we also like, yeah, why is it very strange, right? Okay, I want to show you this grammar rule. That's what I need to get out, right? Copy. I'm going to show you from here. Okay, I'm going to minus this Harry Potter thingy, and I'm going to paste this and show you. Okay, so there are different meanings, different ways. All right, there are differences. There's a difference between under. Wait, I move myself here. Okay, there's a difference when we use under, right? Below and beneath. So what is under, right? Under, I think under is almost always a preposition. You use under to say that one thing is at a lower level than the other. Okay, then another, and that the other thing is directly above it. For example, you might say an object on the floor is under a table or a chair. There's a cupboard under the stairs. A path runs under the trees. So you would know the meaning for under. Whoops, why am I so big? I think accident. Why did I make myself big here? Okay, okay. Now it becomes smaller already. Okay, okay. Next one, underneath. So what about underneath? Underneath has a similar meaning to under. All right, this is for your information. We sat at a table underneath some olive trees. So about the same meaning. Okay, underneath can also be used as an adverb. Let's pull up the carpet and see what's underneath. Now, what about below? What's the difference? Below can be a preposition. You normally use it to say that one thing is at a much, the word is much lower level. You understand? So under can be directly under, right? Correct? It say down here is directly under, right? Now for below, it can be much lower than much lower. See, that's the difference. Okay. So there's a tunnel 100 meters below the surface. So like 100 meters below is very, very, very deep. Okay. Below can also be used as an adverb. They stood at the top of the mountain and looked at the valley below. Right. So these are the examples that I show you. Right. I just want to make sure that you understand under and below. When you use below is like really much lower.